This is not just a house, it's a masterpiece. Nestled just beyond the white sands of a secluded Greek beach, this $50 million villa redefines the meaning of ultra-luxury living. From panoramic ocean views to a rooftop made for sunsets, what you're about to see will stay with you forever. In this exclusive tour, we'll take you room by room, through open-concept living spaces, spa-inspired bathrooms, and a rooftop that touches the sky. Every second of this villa was built to inspire. So take a deep breath, relax, and stay with us until the end. Because the final aerial view will take your breath away